Just a quick one here for you all. This viewer asked this question regarding the old Terminators versus the newer ones. We have the older ones here and the newer ones right here, coming out for pre-order today as of recording of this video, which is the 30th of September. Yeah, the torsos. How are the torsos? So let's grab a frame. These frames, these older ones here, are from a while ago, and you can kind of see here, we can see some of the frames. So let's grab that, and let's grab the Terminators. That's on the body. There we go. Okay, so we have the torso right here, and we have this back of the torso, and you can see there is some difference. Now, mind you, ignore that little shield plate on the bottom, but you just look at the belt line, the little buckle on the belt line, and you'll see the vents are just a little bit taller. You can see that the back pieces, the older back pieces, are just a little bit smaller, which is very, very interesting. The front of the Terminator, yeah, you can see it's just a little bit smaller. The old one is just like a hair or two smaller, so it's very, very interesting. But yeah, so there you go. So the question was, can these is there much of a difference in the old Terminators versus the new ones? Minimal. It's a very minimal amount of difference. And I mean, like, obviously we've all seen pictures of the difference between them. The new Terminators look bigger, but I think that's because of their posing and their stance. You see, like, the old or the new Terminators, you know, they have much better posture versus their brothers of old who you know, weren't quite as you know, I don't know, the healthcare wasn't as good, and they had a lot of back problems, and nobody could really stand upright. Like, see that guy on the far right on the bottom here? That guy, look how wide his stance is, like, versus the other guys here. See how their stance is a little closer together? Yeah, that's really why they're a lot taller, in my opinion, I think. But yeah, so anyway, hopefully that helps. Thanks for posting that question. And yeah, if everybody can feel free to post questions. And if it is within my power to answer them, I will. And if it's not within my power, I will acquire the powers. Alrighty, be sure to hit that like and smash the keyboards and all those things. And I'll see you guys in the next one.